How to permanently delete your Google search history. Open up any web browser on your device, whether it's an iPhone, Android, or a computer. It doesn't matter which one you're using. Just launch the browser, like Safari or Chrome. Start by clearing your browser's search suggestions, because those can be different from your Google search history. When you begin typing in the search bar and see recent searches pop up, just look for an option like Clear All and tap it to remove those. Now we'll move on to deleting your history directly from Google itself. Go to google.com and in the top right corner, tap on your profile picture. Make sure you're signed in with the account that you want to clear the history for. Then tap on Manage Your Google account. You'll be taken to myaccount.google.com. From here, swipe over to the Data and Privacy tab at the top. Scroll down until you find the section called History Settings. Under that, tap on Web and App Activity. This is different from your YouTube history, which you'll see listed separately. Now scroll down again and tap on Manage All Web and App Activity. This is where Google stores all your activity, even if you cleared it in the browser earlier. To remove a specific search, just tap the small X next to it. If you want to delete everything, tap the Delete button at the top of the screen. You'll get options like deleting for the last hour, the last day, a custom range, or all time. Choose the time period you want and confirm to permanently erase that history. Also consider turning on Auto Delete. You can set it to clear your activity every 3, 18, or 36 months automatically. That way, you don't have to remember to delete it manually every time. Try these steps whenever you want to keep your search activity private.